Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide us through how to use Zapier with Notion. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open any preferred browser and search for Zapier. Then open the official Zapier website and make sure to sign into your account. After signing in, you will be redirected to the Zapier homepage. On the left side menu, you'll see an apps feature. Click on that and a new page will load up. This is where you can connect various apps to Zapier. Simply search for Notion in the search bar and click on the Connect button. This will initiate the process of connecting your Notion account. You will then be required to sign into your Notion account. After signing in, you will need to click on the Select Pages button and select Allow Access. This is an important step that allows Zapier to securely access your Notion data and pages. Once you grant access, Zapier will now be connected with your Notion account. You can start creating automation Zaps that trigger actions between Notion and other apps. For example, you can set up a Zap that automatically creates a new Notion page whenever a new lead is added to your CRM. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.